Just finishing up this property, and the homeowner just came home. I'm over here at Lake Catherine. Just take a view. It's really nice tonight, actually. The lady asked me if I was almost done, and I said, yeah, just need about 5 more minutes to turn off all of your lights. And we, move soap bottles sometimes and toothbrushes and stuff like that, and always try to do our best to put them back where they were found, but sometimes we forget. But when it comes to these late night photo shoots, I just have to make sure all the lights are off and make sure that it's locked up. And it occurred to me that after about 10,000 homes, I've never had a single complaint, other than maybe like a missing remote here and there. But they're usually found pretty quickly because we don't hide things too far. It's usually right nearby where it came from. But I just thought this was really, really nice tonight, and that I would make a quick video.